Some values of a linear function g are shown in the table below. Which of the following defines g? So we have given in the table for x equals -1, the value of g is -4. For x equals 0, g is -1, and for x equals 1, g is 2. So let's take our first function. G of x is equal 3x minus 1. Let's see what will be if we substitute x by -1. For x equals -1, what will be? G of -1, it will be 3. We have to substitute x by -1. Minus 1 we copy. This is equal 3 times -1 is -3, and we have -1, so this is -4. We have value -4. So now is everything okay. Let's see what will be for x equals now 0. We will have g of 0 is equal. Now we have to substitute x by to this 4 by 0. So we have 3 times 0 minus 1. So 3 times 0 is 0, minus 1 is -1. Again, for x equals 0, we got -1. Everything is okay. So let's see what will be for x equals 1 now. G of 1 is equal. We have to substitute x now by 1. So we have 3 times 1 minus 1, so this is equal 3 times 1 is 3 minus 1, this is 2. For g x equals 1, we got the value is 2. So we see that our g function is defined by the first expression. G of x is 3x minus 1. Let's see what will be if g of x is given by this expression. Let's copy. G of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Let's see what will be if we substitute first x by -1. For x equals -1, g of -1, what will be? We have to substitute x by -1, so it will be 2 times -1 plus 3. So this is equal 2 times -1 is -2 plus 3. So this is equal 1. And we have in our table that g should be -4. So we see that the second function cannot be our function. And let's check the last. We have that g of x is equal 4x. So let me copy our function. G of x is equal 4x. So what will be? For x equals -1. For x equals -1, g of -1, it will be, we have to substitute x by -1, so it will be 4 times -1, so this is -4. First value is okay. For x equals -1, we got -4. Let's see what will be for x equals 0. For x equals 0, g of 0, what will be? We have to substitute x by 0. So before times 0 is equal 0. And what we have in our table for x equals 0, the value is -1. So it's different. In our expression, we got that g of 0 is 0. So the third function cannot be also our function, only the first, because we check every value of x, and for every x we got the same value like we have in our table. That's why we can choose the g function that is defined by expression 3x minus 1. This is my solution.